Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to simply make your own oat milk from oats at home, and I promise you it won't turn out slimy, as I have one trick or two that I want to share with you. So let me show you how to prepare your own additive-free milk from oats. I already tried many different ways how to get a non-slimy oat milk. What worked best for me is to cool down my oats by putting them in the freezer for at least 1 hour. Then I take a portion of this and add them to the food processor, and I place back the oats back in the freezer when I need them to prepare my next batch. To this I'm adding a pinch of salt, I close it and I blend for 20 seconds. After blending the oats for 20 seconds, I add ice cold water, which is my second trick, to the oats, and I continue blending at high speed for 20 seconds, not longer, otherwise the oats gets warm and they will turn out slimy. Then pour the mixture over a large mixing bowl or pitcher covered with a very thin towel or a cheesecloth. Then squeeze tightly with both hands to extract all of the milk. Transfer the milk to a container or jar and keep for 3 days in the fridge. Shake well before use, as your milk can separate. Just give it a good shake and the liquid will come back together. And that's it, a super easy and quick recipe for your own oat milk. Making your own plant-based milk is super easy and perfect for people that are looking for a vegan or dairy-free substitute to cow's milk. This is so much better than any store-bought milk, as it contains less additives and extra sugar and preservatives. Thanks a lot for watching and see you next time!